Hi, I'm Stefan, the BMW DIY guy, and I want to show you how you can add carbon fiber seat backs to your BMW F80. So that's going to be the M2, M3, and M4. All right, y'all, this is actually one of those projects that's longer to film and show you than it's going to take you to do, but it really is that simple, and I want to show you how to do it. So I have these fantastic carbon fiber seat backs from Kies Motorsports. Now, we're going to be using my F87 as an example, but these instructions are going to be exactly the same whether you have the M2, the M3 4-door, or the 2-door M4. Now, the one thing I'm not going to be able to show here with the F87 are the carbon fiber headrest caps that go on, because I don't have those exact style headrests in the back. So if you have an M3, for example, you've got small carbon fiber headrest covers that go on as well. And it's very similar. I think you'll take a look at how this process is done and you'll understand it completely. So let's actually get into the car and I want to show you what this looks like. All right, guys, so here we are in the back of the car. So here is one of the covers. Now, one of the things I did to just speed this process along is Kies includes some of this 3M double-sided automotive adhesive. So I've already pre-placed a number of those pieces. Now, you can really put this on in any pattern you want, any kind of distribution. I tried to find the right combination between enough and not too much. I don't know why I would ever take these back off again, but just in case, I don't want to completely coat this because, you know, you wouldn't want to be prying and torquing on this and break this when you want to take it off. So I tried to find the right amount that it's going to hold it really securely, but isn't overkill. This might be overkill. So you're going to want to put it all into place, peel off the red, the red covers, which I've already done on this piece right here to show as an example. So it's in the same kind of pattern. And I'm only going to show one side because the other side is exactly the same. So all you're going to do is just turn it around and just take it and fit it very gently. Now, again, keep in mind, this is going to start to adhere once it gets into place. So before I really press on it, I'm going to want to make sure that it's all in the right location first, just like that. There you go, and just be gentle on it. Again, you don't want to pry on this too hard because it would be possible to crack this, and that would really be a bummer, right? But man, wow, that looks good. And it's such a quick change. I mean, this is, like I said, the video is going to take longer to show you than it's going to take to do the work. So, man, that looks good. What a great difference. So, all you're gonna have to do is just now do it on the other side. It really is that simple. So just peel the covers back off the adhesive, put it on the second side. Now, like I said, I'm not gonna be able to demonstrate the back headrest covers. They're discs that kind of look, they're about this big of carbon fiber, or they're plates of carbon fiber. Now, because of the shape of the headrests, they're actually individual to each side, so pre-fit them first to make sure that they work. But then it's just as simple. You just put the 3M adhesive on it, peel it off, smack it into place, and you're done. And as you can see, this looks so good. I love this. What a great added accent. All right, all done. As you can tell, it really is that simple. Thank you to Kies Motorsports for having such a fantastic product. I knew I wanted to have it in my car if I ever picked up an F80 and the F87 in this case. So thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to click the subscribe button and a little alarm bell. I have a ton of new content coming, and I'll see you on my next project.